Hello, my name is Jennifer Safavian, and I'm the President and CEO of Autos Drive America, a trade association representing international automakers who have chosen to invest and manufacture here in the United States. Throughout this video series, we will focus on the ways our member companies are supporting communities across America. We can all agree that continuing that support and increasing U.S. jobs are critical. And that is why Autos Drive America works to ensure that there is a level playing field for all automakers who choose to do business here. That means fair and equitable treatment across a broad range of issues to ensure that all American auto workers and the U.S. economy grow and thrive. This is critically important to international automakers who have become deeply ingrained in the U.S. auto industry. Did you know that these companies produce nearly half of all vehicles made in the U.S. for sale here and abroad? That they directly and indirectly employ 2.5 million Americans, and that they have invested almost $100 billion into their U.S.-based production facilities. They also lead in workforce development and apprenticeship programs to upskill and empower their employees, students, and members of the community, driving a continuum of successful jobs. Autos Drive America looks forward to working with the Biden administration and the Congress to ensure the continued growth, competitiveness, and success of the U.S. auto industry. Learn more about international automakers' U.S. footprint by checking out our economic impact reports, which can be found on our website at autosdriveamerica.org. And be on the lookout for additional videos showcasing the way our member companies are supporting communities across the country. Thank you.